Welcome to another CAAN tip, where we deliver fencing tips in under 120 seconds. Today, we're breaking down everything you need to know about fence warranties and coverage. Before you install or repair a fence, understanding the warranty can save you time, money, and stress. Let's start with the basics. Warranties vary by material and manufacturer. The most common types include manufacturer warranty covers defects in materials or workmanship. Installation warranty covers issues arising from improper installation. Extended warranty optional add-ons for extra protection. It's crucial to read the fine print, pay attention to what's covered, the duration of the warranty, and any conditions or exclusions. Typical warranties may cover material defects, cracking, splitting, or warping, rust or corrosion for metal fences, color fading for vinyl fences. Let's talk about filing a claim. If something goes wrong, you'll need to file a claim. Here's how. Document the issue with photos. Contact the warranty provider to start the claim. Follow their process for inspections and replacements. Lastly, doing maintenance. Keep in mind, warranties often require regular maintenance. Skipping upkeep could void your coverage, leaving you with costly repairs. Let's recap. Know the type of warranty you have. Understand what's covered and for how long. Follow maintenance guidelines to keep your coverage intact. Understanding your fence warranty ensures you're protected when issues arise. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more CAAN tips. Check out our playlist for more. Should you require professional help, you can contact us on this number or on our website. See you next time.